Kementeri Bapet Jakatanat Karab Karyang Kong Ampareen Lengdo hakasngi nengkong kala pentep hayeng dorbar baki donbon ki Samla naga Sorkar ki bayadei naga benta ki Nongrep hawas Garo Hills la kalong nadu ki dawai ki sembai bat kiwe. Ya kane Kementeri kala jubab halor ka jengkeli bawanra da MLA ka Rajabala Dr. Mizanur Kazi hakikanta keli jengkeli jong ka yeng dorbar thawan ke Jylla. Kementeri kala ya thoru baleng baki Skim Sorkar Lalaru bansa meki kor senret dawai shaki nyautu ki blok Jakawas Garo Hills na lor kiwe ki Iarap.
Honorable Speaker, sir. Reply to Star Question 71A. Yes, sir. B. So the current availability of subsidized agricultural inputs in the district are high-yielding variety and hybrid of paddy and maize seeds, sprayers, integrated pest management kits. Farmers can avail these subsidized inputs through field functionaries of the department. C. Yes, sir. D. So the department has provided 210 units of sprinkler and 140 pump sets in 7 blocks of West Garo Hills to 140 farmers under the per drop more crop scheme. E, sir. Number 1, the focus. Under the scheme, farmers who belong to a producer group receive a financial assistance of Rs 5,000 per farmer to support agricultural activities and enhance productivity. 2, sir. The Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana or the PM Kisan provides financial benefits of Rs 6,000 per year to landholding farmers transferred in 3 equal installments. 3, sir. The Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana or the PMFBY provide crop insurance to farmers covering non-preventable natural disaster. The state government also paid the farmers' share of the premium to ease the burden of the farmers. 4. The Kisan Credit Card. The interest subvention scheme on KCC provides financial security to standard borrowers from farmer borrowers, standard borrower, those who pay the loan on time. These farmers also receive 4% interest subvention from the state government apart from the 3% received from the government of India. F, sir. Sir, the District Agriculture Office provides organic manure, biofertilizers, biopesticides, and capacity building of farmers for organic farming. District Horticulture Office implements Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeastern Region scheme and Meghalaya Organic Mission in West Garo Hills, under which 10 farmer producer organizations take up organic certification of 4,500 hectares, which is under process of the agricultural land.